Well, hello there, barbecue friends. We got a special day today. Today is going to be the first cook here on this Pit Boss Heritage wood pellet grill. I'm not going to film a lot of the prep work because I've done this a few times here on video, but we're putting jalapeno poppers on here. Jalapeno poppers are one of my favorite things to throw on a pellet grill. So I figure what could be the best first cook than that. So I'm going to fill our hopper up with pellets, get this started, get those on the grill. Thought I'd bring you along with me just to show you what I'm doing for the first cook. Here we go. All right, let's see if I remember how to start this. Hit the power for 3 seconds. Oh yeah, there's that beautiful start. Okay, we're gonna start cook. Whoops. All right, we're just gonna start our cook. I'll leave it set at 150, but what I'm gonna do, once we reach 150, I'm gonna bump it up to 275. In the meantime, I'm gonna go get the jalapeno poppers ready. Okay, only after a few minutes, we're above our set point there. So now we're gonna set our temperature to 275. There we have it. Tap the screen, we're all set. That fan started up, it's warming up. Okay, we'll wait for that to reach temperature, then we'll put those poppers on. So since our startup video, I was able to get the Pit Boss app, the Wi-Fi hooked up on the Pit Boss app. See, we're at 271 right now. It was just a few simple steps following the instructions in the app, and we're all hooked up. So now, not only can I change the temperature at the controller, but also from my phone. You can monitor temperature of the meat. If you use one of the probes plugged into there. It's got some few things, but we'll learn more as we go. So we now reached our temperature 275. Let's get those jalapeno poppers on. So my lovely wife made these. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put them on the upper rack, directly on the rack. All right, there we have it, directly over the rack. I'm not going to put a drip tray or anything because this is the first cook. Let's see how it goes. Close our lid. Like I said, my lovely wife made these jalapeno poppers. I'll quickly tell you how they're constructed. Now, these are jalapenos from our garden. It's mid-October here. We still had quite a few jalapenos, which is just great. We only have like 3 plants left now. The jalapenos, the stem cut off, slice them down the middle in half, take the seeds out. Then in a bowl, you got your cream cheese, a little bit of taco seasoning, and my wife likes to chop up one of the jalapenos very small, dice it all up, mix it in with the cream cheese. Then you put it in the half of the jalapeno, then wrap it in half a slice of bacon. So that's what's on the grill right now. So when we go to taste it, you know exactly how it was constructed and what we can expect. So I'll see you back in about an hour and a half or so when they're done, and we'll do the taste test. All right, we're at the hour and a half mark. Let's go in, take a close look at these. Let's see if they're done. All right, first thing we're looking for, see if that bacon's cooked, which it looks like they are. These are looking good. Next thing we're looking for, see if that pepper's cooked. But you can see these peppers look like they're cooked. You can see a lot of that pullback from the bacon. These are coming along. Next thing we're going to do to see if they're done, see if the interior of that cream cheese is over 200 degrees. Put the temperature probe in there. And not quite there. All right, we're going to give these another 15 to a half hour. See where we're at. When we reach that 200 degrees, we're going to take these off. We'll see you in a bit. All right, it has now been an hour and 45 minutes. We reached an interior temperature in that cream cheese of 200 degrees. It's time for these jalapeno poppers to come off. Ooh, these are looking good. Oh yeah. Well, I'll put these aside, let them cool a little bit, then we'll come back for the taste test. All right, here we have it. The first cook done here on the Pit Boss Heritage Wood Pellet Grill. Looking forward to many more cooks here on this grill. Jalapeno poppers, it's something we like to cook here. It's always a really nice cook to do on a pellet grill. Like I say, first time here on the Pit Boss, but let's get in, give them a taste test. Here's one there. You can see that bacon cooked right around as we had this right on the grill, the upper grill. Give it a taste. Getting a bite through of that jalapeno. There's a tiny crunch of the pieces of jalapeno that are in the cream cheese. Very nice. Good amount of heat on that jalapeno. I know they're hit and miss. Sometimes they're mild. This one's got a little more heat to it. Well, I'm going to sit back, eat a few more of these. Thanks for watching. I encourage every one of you, get in your backyard, cook yourself up some jalapeno poppers, and we'll see you on the next one.